Greetings from Ekudden on the lake Flaten, this spontaneous nude beach spot in the beautiful Swedish nature. Now I have seen some sunshine on the way here, as you have seen in the intro, but now it seems that there are some heavy clouds coming in right now in front of the sun. So I'm just gonna go start with the vlog, as it doesn't seem it's gonna get a bit more sunny. And I am here for a beach adventure and to swim in the lake Flaten. Currently it is 23 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 degrees Celsius in the lake I just measured, which means it's going to be a nice swim. Let's see if I'm gonna do half an hour, as it's perfect for an evening swim. Yes, here it's gonna have also nice sunset later, but as you know, the day is long, even though it's getting shorter and shorter right now. I think that the sunset now it's around 9 p.m. It used to be 10:30 p.m. 1 month ago, but we are going to shorter days and it is what it is. And I'm having company here of 2 ducks. There are also a few swans, and there are also swan babies, and it's not recommended to swim near them when they are with their parents, as the parents might attack you, so you need to use caution. I didn't see when I was swimming once, and one was going against me but luckily I was close to the shore. Yes, beach day number 106 is today, and I really wanted to go to the sea today, but I felt a bit tired, so it was easier to get here. So let's then get going and take a swim here, while the sun will reappear out of nowhere, it seems, which is amazing. Yep, the sun is back. The sun is back, baby, and will accompany me a bit here on the swim. You can see how beautiful the water is and how clear it is as well. And here I have also steps to get into the water as well. So ready, set, and go! Oh boy, the sun is back. Amazing. I am planning to do half an hour here, swim, like I did last week. And tomorrow I'm planning to go to the sea, since the day is still long. So yeah, peaceful nature all around, quite warm still, and tomorrow it's gonna be even warmer than today. So yeah, let's then swim around and show you more of this beautiful nature. It's very interesting how the clouds disappeared out of nowhere, and now there are only light clouds in place. Okay, so 29th of July, only 2 days left this month, and we're gonna start August, 1st of August this weekend. And yeah, then it's time for Chris to swim around and to enjoy. So yeah, it's time to wrap up this part of the vlog and say thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.